Just a small handful is enough to help your orchid thrive. Even weak orchids will bloom easily all year long with this amazing natural fertilizer. Start by preparing a jar. Add 3 teaspoons of tea leaves. Then pour in half a liter of boiled water. Close the jar and let the tea cool for a few hours, covering it with a towel. The next day, open the jar and stir the contents well. Strain the liquid through a fine sieve to remove excess leaves. Dilute the fertilizer by adding 2 liters of water, then mix in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now soak a cotton pad in the mixture and gently wipe the orchid leaves. This treatment provides essential nutrients and creates a protective barrier against pests. Your orchids will look beautiful and healthy thanks to this natural method.